Hello everyone, I am Dr. Hanidiptiman, second year psychiatry resident, and today I will be briefing you about the COTPA Act, that is Cigarette and Other Tobacco Products Act, and I will be telling you how in certain situations selling tobacco and cigarettes can land you in jail.
What is COTPA Act? Cigarette and Other Tobacco Protection Act. This act replaced 1975's Cigarette Act, and this act was enacted on 9th April 2003 in the Rajya Sabha and was passed on April 30, 2003 in Lok Sabha. This act commenced on May 1st, 2004. Now I will be telling you some points about the tobacco crop. Tobacco crop is a drought resistant crop, so it can grow if there is less rain. It grows very fast and it brings a lot of revenue to the farmers. So this is the reason nearly 30% of the net cultivable area in India is occupied by tobacco. In 1975, Cigarette Regulation of Production, Supply and Distribution Act was passed. In 1988, Prevention and Control of Pollution Act and Motor Vehicle Act was passed, and which defined that smoking should be done only in certain areas. In 1992, Drugs and Cosmetic Act was passed, and which banned the toothpaste and the powder which was including the tobacco. In 2000, Cable Television Network Amendment Act was passed, which banned the tobacco and alcohol advertisement. And in 2003, COTPA Act was passed. The tobacco product includes cigarette, cigar, bidi, gutka, pan masala, kheni, and other snuffs. So there are many provisions in this act, and important ones are Section 4, 5, 6, and 7. Section 4 includes that there should be prohibition of smoking in the public places, and violation of this will lead to 200 rupees penalty, and an enforcement officer is appointed to ensure this section is easily followed in all over the country, all over the cities in India. Section 5, advertisement, sponsorship and promotion of the tobacco should be banned, and on not following this section, on first conviction, 2 years imprisonment and 50,000 rupees fine, and on subsequent conviction, 5 years imprisonment and 1 lakh fine. Section 6, it is the protection of minor and educational institute. So according to this, section 6A has two parts, 6A and 6B, and the 6A is related to minor, while 6B is related to the educational institute. According to this act, the minor is less than 21 years of age, and no tobacco product should be sold to minor, no tobacco product should be sold by the minor, and no tobacco product should be sold through the vending machine. Within 100 meters of the educational institute, there should be no tobacco selling shop, and violation of this section 6 will lead to a 200 rupees fine. Every shop which is selling tobacco should have a poster 60 by 30 centimeter, and it should have 50% of the text and 50% of the picture depicting that no tobacco will be sold to the minors. Now there is section 7 which includes the pack warning, and on the first conviction the fine is 5,000 rupees or 2 years of imprisonment, and on the subsequent conviction the fine is 10,000 rupees or 5 years imprisonment. There is a toll-free number. Whenever you see a person smoking in public, you can just call on this number. Chandigarh is the first union territory to be smoke-free in 2007, and Sikkim is the only state in which 100% implementation of COTPA Act is there. Now I will be also telling you certain changes that occur in body after a person quits tobacco or cigarette. So changes begin as earliest within 20 minutes. The heart rate and the blood pressure drop to the normal level. Within 1 year of quitting the tobacco and the related products, there is risk of the coronary artery disease is reduced to half compared to the active smokers, and within the 5 years, the stroke risk becomes equivalent to that of a non-smoker. Within 15 years, the heart, lung, and the coronary function become equivalent to those of who never smoked. So that's it for today. Subscribe to my channel for such informative videos. Thank you.